down to the river.
Ma'am.
I'm telling you.
You're gonna get your...
Dead in the river right now. You're gonna all be dead. My husband's dead. I don't...
Stop yelling.
Where was he supposed to...
Stop, you motherfuckers. Prick.
Cops in Ohio received a panicked call from a woman whose husband, after losing his job, had left the house, and his GPS location was now appearing in the middle of the river. Fearing the worst, the woman urged cops to come and help her find him.
Hi.
Down to the river.
Ma'am, stop. Ma'am, I can't help you if I don't get information. Okay, calm down, cooler heads. 61. The female's now driving off. Wants me to meet her wherever she's going. If you can try to call her back and tell her to stop so we can get more info.
You can't, what are you doing?
Can you please go down to the river?
We are, but you can't be driving like that.
Please go down right now.
If you cause a crash, though,
I'm telling you.
you're gonna get yourself...
Dead in the river right now. You're gonna all be dead. I have all the police here. I'm trying to get them to go to see if Peter's in the river.
We're
they're
trying.
not
Give
even
us a
going
minute,
down there.
okay?
You can't be driving like that.
This is my husband's location right now. Okay?
It's not in the water.
He was in the middle of the water. You need to go down. Someone go down there right now. I will not get back in my car. I swear to God. I will stand right here. But go down there right now.
I am going now.
Go right now.
Down.
Go down there right now, please. Oh my God. God, it's just a deal, okay? Okay, can I pull up?
No.
Okay, now he's moving. Can you see? Right there. Please, now he's moving, okay?
Okay.
You don't understand, man. I was just worried about his life. He said it was in the middle of the river. He just quit his job 4 hours ago. We have 3 little kids. He's very scared. And when I saw that, he said he was meeting with his coworker to try to get him to come and be his secretary. When I saw it in the middle of the river, I was really scared for him. Nothing is wrong with me.
And we're not faulting. We're not taking anything away from this, but you cannot be running red lights.
Okay, I get
Because
it.
what if somebody hits you and you get into a really bad accident?
I get it. But if my husband's dead, I don't
Stop yelling.
Oh my God.
I understand you're upset. You do not need to cause a scene.
Where was he supposed to go? Where was he supposed to...
Fuck up, you motherfucker.